Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-sportline, and I'm excited today because I think this is a new favorite of mine, and details matter. This customer came to us, had a design process on PPF wrapping, adding custom decals, touching up the wheels with our center caps, and really making this a special Cybertruck. Let's start with the basics. We applied TMaxx Gloss Iridescent Unicorn PPF on this. This is an awesome brand of PPF. It's hydrophobic, it's self-healing, it's a flip type PPF color. It is amazing. You're gonna see you've got every shade of color from silver through the deep dark red spectrum, depending on how the sunlight hits it. But it's subtle, it's not obnoxious. It still looks silver like a Cybertruck. It's just when the light hits it and the sun shades at different angles, it's amazing. It's such a flip and such a cool color scheme. So that foundation was awesome to start with. Next, on the graphics, obviously a foundation series, but also a cyber beast. This customer opted for 3M satin flip volcanic flare badges. So we've got more flip and more flare with the badges. Not just foundation series cyber beast, you're gonna see on the tailgate, one step further even there, we embossed his cool graphic, his last name, in our Cybertruck font, and it looks amazing. Again, it's subtle, it's classy, but it's super cool and it's intriguing when you see it up close. Finally, the wheels. We've got stock Cybertruck wheels here, but he opted for T-sportline center caps, covers up and finishes the wheel nicely, and then in the middle, the T-sportline cap. Let us know what you think of this one, guys. This is definitely in my top 5. This is a super classy, yet cool looking Cybertruck. Give me a comment below. Let us know what you think. What do you want to see next? All right, if you like this video, make sure you check like, subscribe to our channel, and tune in for the next Cybertruck video coming your way soon. Thanks, everybody.